Hey, munchiemafia. So today we are making smoked salsa. And we smoked these off the other day. This is part of the Will It Smoke series. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the tomatoes. Woo, making a mess already. We're going to just take our tomatoes. We're just going to, oh, Jesus Christ. The carnage is crazy. All right. So after you use smoked tomatoes and other vegetables, you want to give them a little bit of hang time in the refrigerator to mellow out a little bit. Um, it's kind of like when you're smoking cheese, you let it mellow out for actually cheese is a couple weeks um, after smoking for best flavor, so that you can knock some of that really, really heavy smoky uh, tone off of your stuff. So we're basically just peeling these, and we're just gonna just pop them, stick them in there, and you need a food processor. So this is like 6 tomatoes, and then we got 5 tomatillos. These have all been smoked. It takes roughly about an hour and a half to smoke these. What you're looking for is so that they're soft, and then you just let them rest in a bowl covered with plastic wrap, and then pop them in the fridge overnight. 24 hours is best. So now we got that. We also smoked some jalapeno peppers. We're not going to use all of them because we're going to be using some of them for something else. But I smoked about 4, maybe 5 of those. So we're putting in the equivalent of about 3. And we also smoked some garlic. We smoked the whole garlic bulb and then threw it in there. Now the garlic takes a little bit longer. It took about 2 hours. You're looking for it to be soft, but not too soft. So now we're going to put that in there. We're going to throw some cilantro, a good heavy handful. Now, if you don't like cilantro, you don't have to put it in there, but I like cilantro. All right, now that I've thoroughly made a mess all over myself, Wreck-It Ralph, now we're going to go for some of the other stuff that's supposed to go into this. And that's going to be the lime juice. And because we want these ingredients to sing on their own, we don't really want to load it up with a whole lot of spices like all the other stuff that I usually put in my salsas. But we are going to put just a smidge, and when I say a smidge, I mean like half of a teaspoon of chili powder, and then a half of a teaspoon of cumin. Now, if you like yours a little spicier, you can put some other peppers in there if you want. That's entirely up to you. It's yours. If you like to have all those other spices, you can definitely put them in there. I personally don't, because I like to have, kind of a blank slate of sorts for mine, because what we're going to do is we're going to also add some fresh diced white onion and some fresh diced tomato to this, just to give it a little bit more body. So this is the juice of 1 lime. What you want to do is you want to roll it around on the counter a little bit and kind of, break up the structure so that it juices a lot easier. Okay, we are going to take, and I got hold of these lemons that were just absolutely freaking huge. It's like, God, they were out of the Flintstones or something. So just a couple wedges of it, just a little smidge. That's just a couple wedges. That's like maybe 1/4 of a lemon. We want to give it some salt. And then we're going to whizzy it. This is going to be a little bit on the noisy side, so maybe Timmy can save you by muting the audio for a sec. All right, now we're going to go for it. So Oh, all that smoky goodness. You can definitely smell that smoky goodness in this. All right, so that's pretty much it. We're just going to add some other things to it. By all means, if you want to add other stuff like some smoked habanero, you can definitely do that, or any other peppers that you like. You can definitely do that. Now, we're going to take some onions. It's about a quarter of a white onion. And then I like Roma tomatoes just because tomato season wasn't all that great this year. Roma's really tasted really delicious this year. So you just foldy. And there you have fresh salsa. Just like so. It has a nice color to it and nice balance and acidity. We're going to give it a tasty taste. Oh, yeah, that's delish. So, munchiemafia, I'm going to take this over here to the camera so you can see it a little bit better. And there we have it. Let's see, can we see it better? Maybe a little closer. A lot of salsa. Yum. All right. That's it for smoked salsa. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.